Backtesting every day on some profitable day, 423. So 2024, 2 more days in September, and yeah, then of course going to October. So almost done with this year. 3 more months. We'll see. Bro, just took a shower and I didn't dry my hair well. I literally felt a chop in my head. Or in my neck. Okay, so I have to get this. Alright, now going to Friday. Yeah, this was a beautiful trade. I just took this yesterday. Oh, yesterday was such a late session again. Had some good sleep though. Now today. And yeah, now 4 p.m. now early session, because my girlfriend is coming in. Yeah, right after this session. I gotta go, and then we're gonna go to her place. She's coming from work. Okay, so let's see. We are holding this Sibi, but I thought higher time frame was bullish. Yeah, we are bullish, so I'd like to see this get used as an inversion actually. We could get a minor reaction lower. Maybe into this busy. This be low hanging fruit. Nothing there. Wait, oh, there is. Staying little cap. GM, yo. Hello. How you doing, man? Long time again, I would say. Okay. What? Oh, 27th. 8:30 news, no other news. Looks like a good trading day. Now take the range high, so see what we have with this inversion. Nothing here. Waiting for more structure. Maybe manipulation lower would be nice. Okay. Tap the gap. Going even lower. See if we are still respecting the gap. It's not a singular gap. 2 minute didn't have one, so waiting. This could be nice. Oh, it's not even a gap. 3 minutes. It is a 3 minute gap. We did take this low. We do have an SMT with this, but we didn't take equal lows. So it's not a trade. So waiting a bit more. Oh. 1 hour. Our range way lower. Mark out the range. It's not equilibrium. Doesn't have to be. This is a trade. We're still respecting gap. Have an SMT inside of the gap. Yes, looks a bit more bullish though. Inversion. That's what I'm targeting as CP. But by the time I think ES will then have taken that, and then break even at fixed 101. Just then here at this high on ES. Let's see. I think it looks pretty good. Oh. Okay. Okay, yeah, yes, that did take that high, but we have a massive SMT now. We're not really moving in tandem. Okay, that's just an L, 1014. Yeah, there are some inversion trades where it's just and then it just goes straight to stop loss. Like those trades are, I would say, the best then actually, like loss wise. Like I would better be stopped out right away than for it to take 2 hours and then I get stopped. But it is annoying, and there's nothing really to do about this. It's just a valid, very valid trade. Because we even got the SMT here where I got stopped out, and then that's what got it to there, and then I would have been break even on this. So it's not that I would have gotten TP, but could have been break even then. With nothing to do about this. Friday we had PC price index. Can mark that out already? I think my mouse died. Right. So PCE. So 830, and then with some medium as well. Okay. So I'm still looking for trades. It's gonna be in the PM now. So we totally disrespected this now. ES did as well, and we have a nice SMT. Now I'm short-term bearish until the range low, which is this low. I think when we take this low, then we want to go even lower. But let's first see if we want to go there. Wow, this looks very clean. That's like a trend line. Damn, a range low on the S is here. Okay, let's see. So pretty bearish. Where we trade into with this leg. 50-minute Sibi. I have equal highs up here. Maybe manipulation before we want to go lower. That would be nice. Okay, yes, it's this gap, and then this is the inversion. This could close above, but it doesn't matter. Okay, let's see. Just looking for a nice short. And this is already a trade, 1327. I think it looks the best because, yeah, why? Why doesn't it look the best? I'll go break even here. I don't know, I just don't think it looks that good. I'll be break even here actually, because he has already took that inefficiency, or tapped that inefficiency. So I'm going break even on this. What am I targeting? I am targeting this. No, I'm not. Yes, already took that again. So let's zoom out. Yes, also took this. This is the actual draw liquidity then. And I'm just targeting a 1-to-1. This is all taken on yes. Let's see if this wants to go. Hopefully at least break even. It's already break even trade. See if I can get out of this. Yeah, break even trade. Oh, I think that's still the break even, I think. So I'm gonna copy this. What was the first entry? Okay, yeah, so still looking for lower. Hopefully some more structure before you go lower. Okay, this is already good. Oh, it is too high for my liking. Okay, this got inversed. We do have an SMT. Yes, close above as well. I'm short-term bullish again, which I actually like as well. This is a big push higher. Like this is the draw I wanted to see. And then for this to be a manipulation, that would be pretty high, but we do still have clean highs up here inside of the gap. Right? Yeah, it's still there. So hopefully we don't instantly push higher. Okay, we do. We do have an SMT now. And then higher time frame being bearish. Yeah, and it's the range high. So now I'm just waiting for more structure again. Or am I? Wait. To get this high. Okay, no, this is already a trade. What time is this? 14:02. Yeah, it is. Pretty crazy. But I do think this looks pretty good. I have the inversion here. You have the SMT, higher time frame being bearish. Take out the equal highs then. Not really that clean, but these highs, NQ, same thing. It's a closure. And we do have a lag in here. Oh wait, do we? No, we do. And then where am I going? Break even. Here in this gap. Did not take a 4-hour high, do we? Or we have an SMT anyways, it doesn't matter. And what am I targeting? To check at this, or in this, yeah. That's what I'm targeting. Okay. Actually here. So that's the exact same high as yes. Okay, let's see. Doesn't look so bad. We'll see what happens. It's a break even. I didn't see. Yes, already took it. Hopefully we drop lower. Wow, beautiful. Let's see, and there's sell side as well. Wow, a turtle soup here. That's beautiful. 14:02. And yeah, this is like I wanted to see the market trend towards here. This would have been crazy, but it's never what I'm targeting with my strategy. Looks good, but it's not what I'm targeting. 14:02. So 1 L, 1 break even, 1 W. I got everything this day. And then it's a W day because it's 0.46 hour more. Price action was decent. Yep. Alright, next day. That will be the last day of September. Monday, 30th of September, with Paul speaking at 2. So I'll be trading after 2. So we go there. PM session. Move drawings, move drawings. Gonna play out structure. And Paul speaking here. So let's see what my drawn liquidity is now. Okay, I see in this leg we have a single gap here which got inversed. Doesn't mean anything if ES didn't do that. Because higher time frame is still bullish, but ES did, so I'm bearish. Okay, already this low will be low hanging fruit. And draws even lower, and then yeah, this again looking so clean. Wow, that trend line is crazy. So I'm working out the sell side. There's low hanging fruit here. And then this looks pretty choppy. We have clean highs now here as well. But higher time frame is bearish, so if we are respecting bearish structure, I still have to look for the shorts. And then what is ES doing? Took out this high inside of that gap. This is the single gap, so I'll mark out this one. So yeah, we did take that high. This looks pretty messy. And then what are we doing inside of here with this leg? Tiny little gap there on a 5 minute. 4 minutes. This looks also messy. I'd rather play out structure here and see from there. This just looks also messy, but we are on this gap anyway. What was it now? 3 minutes. Or there's a 50-minute singular one. Okay. So that looks better. This singular gap and then ES as well. Singular forced gap on a 50-minute, which it closed above, but doesn't matter because higher time is still bearish. And then I would like to see this be a deeper retracement. Yeah, we'll leave the gaps on there. Let's see. So ES already took out equalize on this. So if he inverse this gap Oh, which there isn't anymore. Then I've been taking a short, but there's no gap. Nothing here. Yeah, and this already looking like a nice move for lower. But let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. But yeah, no entries. Would have loved to take a short here, but there's not a senior gap. We have a busy here, and at 2 minutes there wasn't anything. 3 minutes. Let's see if I didn't miss anything. It's not a gap. There is a gap here. But did we take EYs? We did not. So no. So it's not an entry. So unfortunate with that. Beautiful price action though. And then was the next draw on liquidity? First next one. There's still like like a half hour more trading for it to be outside my kill zone. I don't know if there will be an entry, but you never know. That's the first next draw on liquidity. See hopefully a bit more structure. And then we go lower. This already looked like a too deep of a retrace, but I don't think in a settable form now. Play it out very slowly because I always say that. Oh, I don't think a setup's gonna form, and then my setup forms. First I will mark out what do we have here. We have a senior cap in this leg here, 15 minute. VGram, do I pay for FX replay? I do. After pro version, I pay $30 per month for it. There's normally you pay $35 per month, but I have a code and the affiliate link. If you want to use it, you get $5 off per month, and that's the pro version. They also have an intermediate version and a free version, but the free version is very, very limited. And the intermediate version, yeah, you could definitely backtest with that, but it's also limited in some ways. So yeah, this is actually a trade, I think. Perfect wise this high. Coming into a gap. This all looks pretty clean. And then the closure below. 1451, so it's still in my kill zone. Go one candle back. Almost did it again. Skipping up price too fast. Well, I said that I didn't think there would be an entry for me. So it's going to be break even now. They'll be here in this open inefficiency, 0.8 R. And then here on yes. And then what am I targeting? Looking at this is a market maker sell model. This will be a stage accumulation, but that's already outside of my 1 and 2. So in this case, I'm just going to be targeting a fixed 1-1. That would be nice. Just getting that 1-1. Nothing too crazy. Let's see. Oh, or just stop loss. Let's see, re-entry. No. See what it did. Wow, that's unfortunate. Oh my god. Bruh. Okay, not that the entire move would have happened, but wow. This is very unfortunate. The stop out there. 1451 was then the entry. Yeah, so ending then that month with this loss. But I think it still was a very good month. Presentation was alright. Yeah, it was alright. It was, yeah. I'd say almost even good, but this is unfortunate. And then it was almost inside my kill zone. 1451. And then what did we have with news? We had Paul speaking. And some medium as well. So Chairman speaking, medium. 1355. Look at what a weird time, but I have seen it before because it is there. Or wait, no, it was it 1350? Yeah, it was. Yeah. So pretty weird. I think that's my girlfriend. So yeah, 1L. Let me check where I ended that month. Oh, sorry. What's your code? And I would like to set up my Notion like that. Is there a template? Yes, man. I shared it in my Discord for free for people. Like I've heard that question. Like many people wanted it. So I just shared it here in the Discord. And you could just this is a different one. Coming soon. This is the one. Just click this and you get the template here. And then press this button and it's duplicating. It will duplicate it for you and then you have it. And yeah, my code is in the chat here. The one the Streamlabs sent. I set it up recently, the Streamlabs one. It's working nice. I like it. Oh, I wanted to check what the results were. So I ended September in 5% almost, which is crazy actually. A lot of red days, I would say, or a lot. What is a lot? Bro, I'm used to crazy results in this. This is a lot. Yeah, a colorful month, I would say. Yeah, now going to October, we'll see. Thank you, you just joined. Nice, man, welcome. How long have you been trading? And do you also trade IST concepts? All right, let me go to Tuesday now. Higher time frame still being bullish. On a daily, this be a low hanging fruit. Oh, I have to check what news we have on this day. Schultz be my, that was it. Okay. So in this range, what are we doing? 6 hour singular gap. This still is inverse, and we're still holding it as an inversion. But ES is not. ES is just above it. Higher time frame is bullish, and then closing back above it, I would see this, or like to see this be a reclaimed pisting. Let's see. So yeah, this, yeah, NQ did not close back above it. You are holding this BISI though. And then this would be low hanging fruit. Also those highs are still open, so that looks pretty clean. And here. And what do we do here? So we did close below here. Where did we take a range? We did tap into a gap in this. ES as well. Okay, yeah, we did then. And then this also closed below. So short term I'm bearish until the range low, which will be on here. And then we have tapped this gap. Maybe equilibrium by then. Could remove this. So yeah, this is the first next draw on liquidity, and then after that I'm bullish again, which I do like this. It looks pretty clean. Version in this. Alright, let's see. I do have to wait for news though, which is at 10 AM. Not trading before news when there's news at 10. Oh, okay. So waiting out a bit more. Damn, what? 53. There. Alright, damn, okay. What is it looking like now? So now I'd have to do the analysis again, because it changed. So 6 hour, we're still below this, but yes, it's technically still holding this. Could be wicking it like this. I don't think it will. I do think it's gonna go lower now, but I have to look for a higher because we still didn't close below. And then yeah, probably looking like the trend line lows are gonna get taken now. But again, I still have to look for higher, which is crazy. Which, like, I would like to look for lower, but I can't because my strategy just tells me to. So hopefully there won't even be an entry for me. Skipping it slowly because, again, I always say that, and then setup forms. Okay, so almost all those lows are gone now. Wow, no way. 4 hour low. Okay, so what I'm always doing when we take a 4 hour low, so if we have not an SMT, if we don't have an SMT, then I'm looking at a 5-minute chart. I need to see at least a 5-minute low get taken before I can take a long, and we did take the 4 hour low here, and we did take that 5-minute. Wait, did we? Oh yeah, I got taken on here. Yeah, so NQ still took that. And then I see my setup forming. Like, this is looking so bearish, but my setup is forming. Oh, it is actually going my way. Because the closure buff is already here. And then here, the equal lows. We go back one candle. Stop at the low. This is going to be break even. What am I targeting in this leg? No, not that. Original, first, second. Yeah, so I'm just going to be targeting a 1-to-1. There, and let's see if this works. No, not yet. No. Okay, yeah, that's unfortunate. We were close there, but yeah, sometimes like this looks stupid now, but yeah, when my setup forms, I just have to take it. And of course, this was the reason behind it, with data telling me that I can, and I still have to. But this is unfortunate. 1L so far. So in 3 minutes, New York price action, I don't know yet because I'm still trading. 10:36. Yeah, PMI at 10. Jolts. Medium. Okay, let's see. So this now is on my kill zone. Go to PM now and let's see what price action did. Damn, crazy drop. So now we close back below. And Q still did, and we did not take the range low. I would still be bearish in this then, because the range low until we have an open gap, that will be here. This will be the range low, so I can remove optimal trade entry. So yeah, I'm pretty bearish then. First next draw on liquidity, that's already taken. This will be low-hanging fruit, and then until between here and here, there's no other target. So this will be a first next target then, or not target for like TP wise, but target as in like I want to see price trend towards there. Okay, let's see. We have this 15-minute that we did close below, so that looks pretty good. Already an inversion. But I do have to wait for my setup to form. Hopefully we don't instantly drop into that low, but you never know. Could be. Push higher. Okay, I do like this. Maybe a bit more. Yes. Okay, reverse now. No. Okay. Not in the air. Then still waiting. We're going higher now. Where are we going higher into? I see a singular 2-hour gap. I think this is a bit high, but maybe ES has a gap in this. Also doesn't have to per se tap the gap. This CB here. Not data range low, so I'd still be bearish in this, looking for shorts. Do this high here. Maybe want to take that high and then go lower. I don't know. I'm just waiting now. Just gonna be waiting now. So this is the 4-hour candle opening. It's not a 4-hour high here, right? No. So I'm again just waiting, playing out structure. Playing out structure. 1431. We now are in that gap on ES. Alt Mike gets off my way. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yo, Maxime. How's the session so far? Doing it's going well. It's going alright. Just finished September. September was yeah, alright month. Pretty good month. Yeah. How you doing, man? Let's see now. What am I looking for trades in this? Bro, is this a short? Okay, it is. Okay. So the FEG here, stop at the high. We tapped the gap, we took the equal highs. Even though this looks insanely bullish now, and we have pretty clean lows, I would say here. It still is a trade that I have to take. Oh no, it's not. We don't have a single gap in this. Whoops. Wait, we do here. Oh, and then still took the equal highs. Okay, so then see the 1 minute or 2 minute. This is the closure, which is crazy because that would be my entry then. But still, it's my trade. I'd be break even at a 1-1 in this. It'd be nice if this goes. And I'm targeting, looking at this smart market style model. Just starting at a 1-1 here because this is the stage, and then this is the original. So let's see RIP going break even on yes. It'll be here. Let's see on this. There's 2 minute entry. Let's see. So here your stop loss or TP. Oh. Nice. Wow. Bruh. On the tick. Okay. Yeah, pretty choppy now. But yeah, we already had a crazy move. But still it's a TP. Which is nice. 1434. So that makes this a break even day because I took a loss before. Price action was alright, and then yeah, going to the next day. Also backtesting now, nice. What are you backtesting? Started backtesting with more focus on document. Nice, yeah, nice. Okay. What FX rebate package do I have? I have the pro version. There's also an intermediate one and a free version, but free version is very limited, and intermediate one, yeah, it's decent. It's decent. Also limited, more limited compared to pro, of course. Pro, you have literally everything. But yeah. And do you FX repay RHD? Yo, Ibrahim. It's going alright, man. You mean trading in backtesting or? Backtesting is going alright. On the funded accounts, I'm down 1,000, man. Missed like 2 W trades total, but I did miss a losing trade yesterday, so that's nice. So I'm like down. Yeah, I'm still down 1,000, but I'm always calculating like, oh shit, if I had taken a trade that I should have taken, like it's literally my model. My model is objective. Every trade that my setup forms, I have to take it, but sometimes I miss it because I'm too late or I'm doing something. It's just stupid mistakes, but it's going all right. And there's no rush for me at all, for me to get a payout or something. Yeah, no rush at all. Just trading with patience, trading disciplined, following my rules. Yeah, so If I if I blow the accounts, I blow the accounts. It's all good. Going to Wednesday. Wednesday there's all day news. I'm not trading this. Thursday going to there. Not right now, but I want to buy one package. You can, yeah. It's for the pro version. I have the pro version. It's $35 per month. If you use a code, you can get it for $30 per month. I actually have a code as well if you want to use it. But you have to use like the affiliate link. It's in the chat here. I think Streamlabs is gonna say it any moment now in the chat. If you get it through my affiliate link, I will get I don't know how much I will get for that, but if I get some money out of that in the future from FX Replay, because people are using my link, all the money I'll be getting from that, I'll just be spending that towards giving away accounts, challenge accounts. Thank you, Ibrahim. I hope so, yeah. And you, how's your trading going? Have you got a first payout? I have, yes. I just got the fund now. Nice, okay. Nice. Let's go, man. So upcoming week you'll be trading on it. Yeah, so 10 a.m. news. Okay, so let's see what the draw liquidity is. You got that Trump? No, I didn't, man. And you? I was not expecting that at all. Like, price actually looks so good for a higher. I thought so, but then later I saw, yeah, that was Trump. Like, it didn't make any sense for me for that drop to happen. But yeah, it it was out of sudden. It was Trump, of course. Make a change. 3 more minutes again. Then I'm ending the session, which is time is just going so fast. I'm only doing 40 minutes again today because my girlfriend is coming, and yeah, we're going to her place. She's coming from work any moment now, so that's why. Yeah, so is higher time even bearish? I'm marking out. Sometimes I'm just on autopilot, man. I'm just marking out things. I'm just not even really looking at like what I should be marking out. Yeah, okay, I am bearish. 12-hour this got inversed. And then, yeah, I'm pretty bearish actually. Sell side here, sell side there. So see if you want to go there. Probably inverse something in here as well, which I don't have to look at, because only if you inverse something to the upside I would have to look at that, because that could change my bias to bullish. First playing out price until 10 a.m. because there's news at 10. Okay, it might now be bullish, but let's see. Only if you inversed, and I don't think I am actually bullish. We did inverse here, yeah, because we have an open inefficiency here, and we didn't even close above this. Okay, so I'm still bearish. This high is there, pretty clean here. And we have a senior gap here probably. What is it? 3 hour, 2 hour. Oh no, we have a 2 hour senior gap. So we have liquidity inside of the gap here. And higher time frame being bearish. And then NQ being a bit more bullish. It would be nice if we create an SMT at the high, with NQ taking out the high and then ES didn't. And then I was reversing from there. That would be nice. That would be a very nice scenario. Marking out the SIBI, pretty big. What strategy are you testing out? I'm trading my strategy already. Like, I already know what strategy I'm trading, but for a long time now, I'm just collecting more data on that. So seeing how it performs in different kinds of years, different kinds of environments, different kinds of months, with different kinds of news, all that. And yeah, just backtesting that. And sometimes there's like something I notice, and I backtest something specifically. Right now, I'm just backtesting 2024. Seeing how my strategy performs in that year. So just getting more data on that overall. Just, it's always good to have more data. If I want to look at, like, I don't know, saying something random like a Wednesday with this type of news, then I could check all those years. But yeah, sometimes I have backtesting sessions as well, where I look at, like, I see that London session is good when we don't have any news at all on that day. And then I backtest specifically the London sessions with my strategy without any news days. and then go through the economic calendar until I see, oh yeah, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, no news, London session, how does my strategy perform, and then getting data on that. That's cool, man. Props will buy intermediate or pro. Nice, man. Nice. Okay. We'll be trading on fun. Nice, Ariam. Good to hear, man. The fact you gotta sign up with Link to sign up, yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, man. Like the code with FX Replay doesn't really make sense. Like, yeah, I asked FX Replay basically, so I have a code as well with FX Replay. And I asked the employee from FX Replay, like, how many people are using my code? They said 30 people. And I said, 30 people, wow, that's crazy, but I'm not getting anything. Where is that going? And then they said, yeah, you're not getting anything if people are using your code. You're only getting something if people click on the link, on your affiliate link, and then they buy through that. So I said, wait, but then my code doesn't matter at all. And then they gave like a fake response, like, yeah, people can use your code for just a discount. I don't know, man. I know. I thought it was pretty weird, but I don't know if it's always like that. Yeah. So far, it's going very slow with my trading in real time with the US government shutting down. So as I said, the SMT, so far it's nice. We get a beautiful reaction. Looking for a short. Can this be one? No, it's not. Good luck with trading. Hope you go far, man. Thank you, man. Thank you. You too. Hope you go far as well. Don't know where you're at right now in your journey, but... Yo, Private. I'm doing great, man. How are you? 100% journaling, getting data is key. I've been making a mistake non-stop until I start journaling and I realized. Nice, man. Nice that you realized. Yeah, but it's definitely true. I was going to ask, you say you would trade London if there's no news. Would you still trade New York, or would you only... I would only... Now I have the rule. So I have backtested that. And now I have the rule that I am, when there is no news at all, I am trading London session. Doesn't mean per se that London session is going to get more volume, is always more clean. Because, yeah, it can be me taking more W's, but the price action is not clean. But I have seen from data that I take more W trades London session, no news days, than New York session, no news days. Only Friday, when we have no news on a Friday, I'm not trading that day. And yeah. But yeah, that's what I've seen in my data. And this might be a short 1057. And this will be the last trade, then I'm ending the session. I don't know where my girlfriend is at now. Hope she's not waiting like downstairs or something. Oh, it's not a trade, is it? Where is she? Oh, there. Is it the trade? I have to check here. 1057. I'd go break even on this, which is crazy, because this is where the closure was. So I think it will definitely be break even at least. You never know. Can also be a stop loss. Or this could be, yeah, this could be bad, but still there's a trade I have to take. The closure below, like this is a singular gap after you take the took the equal highs. Hard time from being bearish. I was having an SMT at the high here, as I said, in the gap. Oh, it's a long way from yes. There, hard time from being bearish, and then us taking the equalize in here. We probably have a gap in here. I don't have to per se see a step a gap before you go lower. Oh, we have 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So we have a gap here, which we did close above. Then we have this gap here as well, and then marking our optimal trade entry. Did not tap, but what did yes do? Wait, I have to check because then, oh yeah, yes did. Okay. And then let's look here. 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Okay, yes does have this gap. Wait, this is even an entry then. Goes above here, where is up equilibrium? There, okay. Okay, we did already get manipulation in that. Okay, yeah, so this is a trade, and then breaking would already be here. And what I'm targeting with TP is outside of 1 or 2, which I'm not targeting. So it should be a 1-to-1. So, oh no, wait, the closure is here. Never mind. Then it changes. 48. 185 can be max inside of a 1 or 2 hour. So if it's outside of a 1 or 2 hour like this, 247, 274, and I'm not targeting that, but I am targeting this. So that would be crazy TP. Why is ES not doing the same thing? Okay, so this low is already taken on ES. So what is then the deepest low? That's then here. So this would then be the target. If we even want to go there. If this is going to be a stop loss, then oh my god. Very rarely, sometimes, very rarely, what? There are sometimes moments where it does happen. Let's see. Okay, break even. Good. And wow, ES did not take the low. If ES took the low, I would manually close it. So that would be like here. Oh my god, what is this? Break even. Oh wow, it's a good break even, but what? Yeah, sometimes price action is weird, man. Price market can do anything. That's what that's one of the most important things I've learned. Market can do anything. Even if it looks that obvious, man. Oh, yeah, look at that low. Did not take. So the entry was 1057. Oh, I opened TradingView. This was Wednesday. Oh, Thursday. Wait, what? Did I miss Wednesday? Oh yeah, with meetings there. 10 a.m. PMI. One break even. I was going to say you would trade. Oh wait, no. Stock market is so overvalued. If it crashes, it's not because of government shutting down. Only issues news not being reported. Yeah, it's annoying. NFP is now already like 3 weeks delayed. Like 2 more weeks and then we have NFP again. That's why I asked the other day if London or New York moves more. I love London session 2 when there's no news. Oh no, nice, yeah. Like it's not always, like London session sometimes still when there's no news. Oh, sometimes the volume is so bad, man. There's just no volume at all and it's just choppy. But yeah, I've seen more times than not that it's better to trade London session than for me. Goes long term, of course. What am I looking at? Here, PMI 10, unemployment claims. Where's the PMI there? And I'm at medium as well. Okay, one break even, and then I'm still trading the PM session, but I'm gonna do that next session because I have to end it here. How much are you risking on your fundeds? I'm risking $250 per trade on my fundeds. So October so far, it's nothing. Yeah, just ended September this session. Yeah, very good month actually. Looking very, very good. In October, yeah, anything can happen. Just literally the first week, for a few days. So yeah, that was the session. Gonna end it here. Thank you guys for watching, man. Have a nice day or a good night. Yeah, hopefully see you guys next time. Thank you guys. Ciao.